If we come to a point where we're talking about TPA, make no mistake, guys, your Westlakes, your Alacrities, these guys are in a shift or die modality right now. This software here bankrupts their business model at a fundamental level, period, and does not require human to do so, okay? Make no mistake, guys, TPA is going to change. It's the most elegant AI model that's in restoration right now, and it's on the other side of the ball, boys. They're running it down our throat, and we do not know how to defend. We are not able to defend right now. It's going to enforce at a general system, okay? It does work day in and day out to enforce lower payouts, especially for unjustified items, and it will push increased efficiency rates. She was very clear with me about why their product was in demand, why it had to be created, how many people's jobs and lives and the entire industry that it has an effect on.